guys, good morning. We are here now at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So, this is our first day. Time check is 10:10. Ate Yus, what can you say about our first day?
Exciting and full of expectation about the place.
Yes, how about you, Celine?
Okay, Kuala Lumpur is also a beautiful place to visit. Such a industrialized country also.
Yes. Guys, visit na kayo dito sa Kuala Lumpur. Wait. Visit kayo dito. Ang ganda talaga. Hindi kayo magsisisi. Super ganda ng Kuala Lumpur. Ikotin natin. Ito ang view ng aming first day. Dito kami market. Tsaka pupunta kami doon sa oldest mosque of Indians. Doon sa kabila. Yan. So yan ang dalawa. Nag-grocery kami for 1 week breakfast. Yan. So di ba guys? Bye! Abangan ang aming next destination. Goodbye everyone!